Welcome to this video. This video we are going to simplify following indices. Let's start. Number A. Here is c to the power 4 d square e divided f square d to the power minus 2. Another fraction e to the power 3f to the power minus 1 divided cubic root d to the power minus 3 c to the power 6. So this one now we simplify. Carefully think, our target, we will not keep any negative power, right? So first fraction we will not do anything at this moment, like c to the power 4 d square e, and here f square d to the power minus 2 times here e to the power 3, and which power is minus 1, so we can write e to the power minus 3 and f to the power minus 1. So if we want to omit cubic root, so we can write like this: d to the power minus 3 times 1 by 3, and here c to the power 6 times 1 by 3. We know nth root of a equals to a to the power 1 by n. Okay, this is clear. Now look, this one 3 and 1 by 3 we can cut 3, and 6 divide 3 it means 2. So we can write like this: c to the power 4 d square e, and here is f square d to the power minus 2 times here is e to the power minus 3 f to the power minus 1, and divide d to the power minus 1 and c square. Now we will segregate how we can optimize negative exponent, negative power. Look, here is c to the power 4 and here is c square. We can write like this: c to the power 4 minus 2. We can write direct. Suppose we know c to the power 4 and c square, we can cut, we can write c square. But we will do step by step. Now d. Here is d square and here is d to the power minus 2 and d to the power minus 1. We can write like this: d 2, this minus 2 become plus 2 and this minus 1 become plus 1. How? We know that a to the power m divide a to the power n, once base are same, that time in division power will be subtract. It means a to the power minus m minus n, but in this case once minus n it will become plus n. Okay, so c and d done. Now e. Look, here e, what can we do? E, just look, here is e nothing, it means e1. So 1 and minus 3 it will become e minus 2. So we can write like this: e minus 1 and plus 2, because we are doing a step by step, so we will not write any shortcut thing. So e done. Now f. F, here is minus 1 and here is 2. So we can write this one is 2 and this minus 1 become plus 1. Right? Now we will calculate and our math will be solved very soon, because c 4 minus 2 means 2, d 2 it means 5, and e what? It was 3. So minus 1 plus 3 it will be 2, and f 2 plus 1 it means 3, and this is our answer. Okay, so one more thing, you may complete math also from here to here very shortcut way. Just ups and down you can cut, but in the good practices you should do step by step. So number A done. Now we will start number B. Number B. 1 divided a to the power minus 2 times b by a to the power 3 to the power minus 1 divide b square divide a square. So first 1 a to the power minus 2 times this one we can write like this, b to the power minus 1 divide a to the power minus 3. Here is division signs. Once we use multiplication or product sign, the fraction will be flip. So it means a square divide b square. Now our target, we will not keep any negative power. So our first target a. So here is a square and here is a to the power minus 2 and a to the power minus 3. So we can write first this a square plus minus 2 will become plus 2, minus 3 will become plus 3. Okay. Now b, here is minus 1. So first b square, once we keep in denominator, this minus 1 become plus 1. Now look, we know a to the power minus 1, it means 1 by a to the power n, and we also know a to the power m divide a to the power n, it will become, once base are same, that time in division power will be subtract, it means a to the power m minus n, right? Now we can write like this, a to the power 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3, it means 7, and divide b to the power 2 plus 1, it means 3, and this is our answer. We simplify this indices very easily. Now number A, number B done, we will start number C. First fraction, x to the power minus 1 by 4 y to the power 3 divide z cube times yz to the power minus 3 fourth root of x to the power 5. Now we will simplify these indices. So first here is x to the power minus 1 by 4 and y cube, and here is z cube times yz to the power minus 3, we can write y to the power minus 3 z to the power minus 3, and we will omit this root sign, so we can write like this, x to the power 5 divide 4. How? Because we know nth root of a, we can write a to the power 1 by n. Okay. Now look, we will not keep any negative power, so this x here is minus 1 by 4 and divide here is x to the power 5 by 4. So we can write like this, x to the power 5 divide 4 plus this minus 1 by 4 will become plus 1 by 4. So x part done, and y, it will become y, here is 3 and here is minus 3. Okay. Now z, here is z to the power minus 3 and denominator z to the power 3. So we can write like this, z this 3 and this minus 3 will become plus 3. Okay. So y 3 minus 3, it will be 0, and x, here we will make a LCM 4, so 5 plus 1, and z becomes z to the power 6. So y to the power 0, we know a to the power 0 means 1. So y to the power 0 also 1. X 5 plus 1 is a 6, divide 4, z to the power 6. So finally we can write 1 by 6, we can divide by 2, so it will be 3, 4 also divide by 2, it will be 2. So x to the power 3 divide 2, and here z to the power 6. This is our answer. Okay. Have you any question? Just write in the comments box. So we are trying to solve this one very easily and very short, not shortly, just step by step and slowly. So number C done. Now we will start number 18 to the power x times 24 to the power x plus 1 divide 36 to the power 2x minus 1. So this 18, if we factorize, prime factorize, so 2 9 3 3, right? So we can write like this: 2 times 3 square to the power x, right? And 24, if we make prime factorize, so 2 12 2 6 2 3, so 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power x plus 1, this one we can write, and 36 2 18 2 9 3 3, so it means 2 square 3 square to the power 2x minus 1. Okay, now 2 to the power x times 3 to the power 2x times 2 to the power 3 times x plus 1, then 3 to the power x plus 1. Okay, and here 2 to the power 2 times 2x minus 1 times 3 square times 2x minus 1. Okay, then we can write like this: 2 to the power x, here is base 2 and 2, so we can write, once we know a to the power m times a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n. So here is also same x, and this one become plus 3x plus 3 times 3, this one is 2x plus x plus 1, right? And in below, here is 2 to the power 4x minus 2 times 3 to the power 4x minus 2, right? Now look, here is x plus 3x, and here is also x plus 3x means 4x, and this one is 4x, but here is plus 3 and here is minus 2. So in this case we can write like this: 4x plus 3 minus 4x plus 2, right? And this one we can write like this: 2x plus x, it will be what? 3x, and here is 4x. So we can write like 3x plus 1 minus 4x, and here is 1 and here is minus 2, it will become plus 2. Okay, this minus 2 become plus 2. Now look, 4x minus 4x out, 2 to the power 3 plus 2, it means 5, times 3, here is plus 1, here is plus 3, so it will be 3, and minus 4x plus 3x, it will be minus x. Now look, 2 to the power 5, it means what? 32, times 3 to the power 3 minus x, and this is our right answer. Number E, 21 to the power x plus 1, 63 to the power x minus 3, divide 9 to the power x times 49 to the power 2x. So this 21 first we factorize, from prime factorize. So if we divide by 3, it will become 7. So we can write 3.7 to the power x plus 1 times 63. 3, here is 21, then 3 7. So we can write 3 square times 7 to the power x minus 1. 9 to the power x, we can write 3 to the power 2x, and 49 we can write 7 square to the power 7 to the power 2 times 2x. We know one thing, look, a to the power a to the power b, we can write a to the power 2b. So here is 3 to the power x plus 1 times 7 to the power x plus 1 times 3 square, it means 2, and here is x minus 1 times 7 to the power x minus 1, and denominator here is 3 to the power 2x times 7 to the power 4x. So here base are same 3 and 3, we can write 3 to the power x plus 1, and here is plus 2x minus 2, and in below here is 2x, so we can write minus 2x. Okay, and look, here is 7 to the power 4x, so we can write, look, here is x and here is x, so 4x is a larger than above, so we can write like this, 7, here is 4x minus x minus 1, and then also here minus x, this minus 1 become plus 1. Okay, now look, here is x plus 2x, so this plus 2x and this minus 2x out, so we can write 3 to the power x and minus 1 plus 1, it will be minus 1. Okay, and then here is minus 1 and plus 1 out, here is minus x, it means minus 2x, and here is plus 4x, so we can write 7 but to the power 2x. So this is our answer. Okay, this is our answer. So number E done, it means our first part is done. So this part we are trying to solve 5 math A to E. Next part will be start from F. Till try to make practice at home, and your question is in front of your screen, so it will be good once you complete by yourself. Don't wait for me, our video will come next day, but you should try at home today. Thank you very much. Don't forget subscribe the channel.